looked at building J of University of Queensland. I don't know what it is. It looks very badly modernised. It's a monospace. Is this seriously a monospace? No, it isn't. That doesn't sound right. Can you? Till 2004, which means it's very likely a monospace, but it doesn't sound like one. 2,000 kilograms, 26 persons, installed 2006, as I said. 2004, I mean, sorry. Here it comes again. I still have no clue what this is at all. It's called cancel, it seems. One button called cancel. It must have some really weird logic.
Level 1, going down.